class, good morning. So, what was the coverage of our discussion last week? Okay, very good. We are tackling the first lesson or the lesson 1, which is, okay, very good, the web. So, at this point, we are about to discuss the lesson 2, which is the internet. So, what is internet? The internet or network of network is the largest computer network in the world that connects billions of computer users. Can you imagine how internet is scattered or have this scope around the world? The word internet comes from the combination between interconnection and network. So, network is a yoking of interconnection and network. I mean, internet is a yoking of interconnection and network. So, enter and network. That's where the internet comes from. Network is a collection of computers and devices connected via communication channels and transmission media allowed to share resources, hardware, software, data, and information. This is the real fact. Generally, nobody owns the internet. So, we have major of components in the internet. First one is the servers. Servers is a computer program that provides service to another computer program and its user. So, in servers, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 sub or genres or and connected resources of this server. First one is the application server. Application server is a program in computer that provides the business logic for application program. Second one is the web server, a computer program that serves requested HTML pages or file. Third one, proxy server is a software that acts as an intermediary between an endpoint device such as computer and another server from which a user is requesting. The fourth one is a mail server, is an application that receives incoming email from local users and remote senders and forward outgoing email for delivery. So this is what we are usually using. Fifth is file server, is a computer responsible for central storage and management of data files so that other computer on the same network can access them. Policy server, the last subtopic of server, is a security component of a policy-based network that provides authorization services and facilitates tracking and control of files. Can you imagine these major components of this internet lies down in the server, scoped around the world, how it can its coverage around the world. The second component of internet is the IP address or the internet protocol. Is a numerical label assigned to each device. This provides identity to a network device. IP address is commonly shown in if you are about to connect in a Wi-Fi connection. So there is an IP address in each network or in each Wi-Fi connection. Third, browser is an application program that provides a way to look information on the web. Example, Google Chrome, Safari, Internet Explorer, Opera, and Mozilla. So browser, this is where we can access any other applications like Facebook or Facebook Messenger. They are live in this component. So Google Chrome is most commonly in Android devices, while Safari is more commonly on iOS or iPhones. For domain name system, DNS, is the phone book of internet. we access information online through domain names. Example, www.facebook.com, www.academia.edu. So the domain name here is this com. So I have a list of domain names here. These are the domain names. So for the domain name com, it comes from the word commercial. The org is an organization. The net is network. .edu is for education, like this. www.academia.edu. .gov is the national and state government agencies. .ph is for the Philippines, and .au is for Australia. So the last component of internet is the Internet Service Provider, or ISP. Is an organization that provides services for accessing, using, or participating in the internet. For example, Sky, broadband, PLDT, and coverage. So this is where we can connect our computers, our phones, so that we can access to internet. We can watch videos on YouTube. We can surf timelines on Facebooks. So there are two types of ISP: the national ISP and the regional ISP. National ISP provides internet access to a specific geographical area or geographic area. Regional ISP business that provides internet access in cities and towns nationwide. So in national, only on geographical area, while in regional, these whole cities and towns scoped its coverage. So these are the uses of internet. So it is very important for us to know how important internet is. So first, look for information. So our teacher commonly asks us where to look for resources or additional information. So internet is very useful because we cannot use Google, we cannot use Safari without internet. School works, jobs, and home purposes. Yeah. Send and receive electronic mail like emails, video teleconference, video call, and video chat, where we communicate with our loved ones from a distant. Buy and sell products. So we all know that online selling is most impactful or the most powerful business in this time, most especially in this time of pandemic. Watch and post videos, games, take college courses, monitor home while away, financial transaction where we can send money through other people, and we always use internet connection. And lastly, download music and movies. So do you have any question about our lesson for today? So again, our topic for today is about the internet, and it has five major components. First is the server, second IP address, third browser, fourth domain name system, and lastly is the internet provider. Do you have any question? None so far? Okay, thank you.